What's up, guys? Thank you for coming back to this channel. As you can tell by the title, today we're doing a mayonnaise hair mask, and right here I am laying out basically what you need, which is basically just mayo and an egg, and that should fill up 1 cup. So right here I'm just mixing it together, and you want to get a good consistency. You want it to kind of feel like cream, you know, or like conditioner for your hair, so you don't want it too runny. So right here, I'm just basically testing it out just to see, you know, how it feels, if it's too runny or not. So decided to mix it a little bit more, add a little bit more mayo because it actually was a little bit too, it wasn't thick enough for me. So I added a little bit more mayo. So my hair is dry and partially combed. I couldn't comb it all the way because it started hurting me. I'm trifling, I know, don't judge me. This hair mask, really, guys, it's really bomb. It feels amazing in my hair. Watch this. Just, you can see how good it feels just by looking at it. Like that, oh my gosh. I can feel it again. So if you have never tried this hair mask before, I highly recommend you trying it. My hair is very, very damaged. I've lost a lot of hair. I used to have very long, pretty hair. Not very, very long, but it was shoulder length. And, you know, just pretty long, beautiful, healthy hair. And I guess with me just putting wigs on it and not really taking care of my hair underneath, it kind of just got away from me. So now I'm trying to basically, you know, put more care into my hair. So I decided to start off with a hair mask. So it's actually working out really well. It feels very good. I'm hoping, well, I already know the outcome, but at this point I was just hoping like, oh, I hope this changes, do something to help my hair texture, be easier to comb it out afterwards. Anybody with this hair texture knows it's a struggle, but we love our hair. And as long as you got good products and you have a good hair regimen, it's actually fairly easy to comb through our hair. You just have to know what you're doing. And it took me a very long time to know what I was doing. I didn't stop crying from combing out my hair till I was like probably about 25 is when I realized what I needed to be doing so that I wasn't tearing all my hair out and stuff like that when I was combing it. So yeah, I'm just working that mayonnaise hair mask in there, working it all around, all in the roots, saturating it as much as possible. It's very, very light. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It actually feels more like oil once you put it in there. So I think I'll be doing this hair mask probably at least once a month, or probably every time I wash my hair, because that's about once a month. Let me stop lying. I don't wash my hair once a month. I probably wash my hair once every 3 months because I keep my hairstyles in, or keep my hair braided for them wigs. So guys, right here you can kind of see how well the mask like got into my hair. I thought I slowed that part down, but I don't know what's happening. So anyway, I cannot find a shower cap for the life of me. I thought I had at least one more, but I don't. So I'm going to be using the smallest bag that I have under my kitchen sink, and that's this little black liquor store bag. Everybody got a few under their counter, under their sink. Don't play. So that's going to sit in for 30 minutes. Those roots looking real good. That bag is real funky. Alright, so I'm just going through with my hands, just, you know, separating my hair. As you can see, my fingers are going through it very easily, very naturally. It's not tough at all. So it definitely feels amazing. So this is actually where I slowed it down so you can kind of see how well it got in there, and kind of the results of what the mayonnaise hair mask does and what it can do. And honestly, guys, my hair felt really, really soft and silky the whole time through. I even straightened it a little bit after this before my braids, and it felt amazing. I mean, it was just so... It looks very healthy, and it hadn't looked like that in a very, very long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this mayonnaise hair mask all out. Mayo and egg. Get this all out of my hair. and I almost did. I was going to use a little bit of the dishwashing liquid too to get it out, but I didn't want to put too many different things in my hair. I already did the hair mask, so I said, you know what, let me just wash it out naturally and not use anything, other than shampoo. So I'll get the rest out with the shampoo, and you can just see the shrinkage right there. So now it's shampoo time. This is my first time using this shampoo, the Brazilian Keratin Therapy shampoo and conditioner. It's not too expensive. The tag over there, as you can see, I think it says $8.49 or $8-something.99, something like that. So we're gonna go ahead and of course start with the shampoo. And guys, I'm so sorry that you cannot see my full head. I thought I knew what I was doing, and I tried something new. Look, I'm sorry. And it didn't work out, so I'm sorry. But this shampoo and conditioner feels really, really good. And I'm no stranger to the OGX. I think it's OGX brand. I've tried their milk shampoo and conditioner before. Not just milk, it's milk and something else. And then I also tried their argan oil. And now I'm trying this one. So I think the one with the argan oil, I think I posted it if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry if I'm lying. I know I did a Tresemme, I know I did a pink. So go check those videos out. I'll leave them in the description. Guys, one of the favorite things, like once I pump myself up to actually do it, and one of my favorite things is washing my hair, like getting that dirt out, because I like I said, I wash my hair probably like once every 3 months. I'm not gonna lie. Just having that water run through my hair, getting that dirt out, and just feeling my scalp, and just it feels so amazing. And I have some thick hair, as you can see. And anybody who's looking to get thicker hair, the mayonnaise hair mask actually works to thicken your hair also. I'm not using it for that, and hopefully I don't get like this super thickness overload, because that's not what I want. I just wanted my hair to be, I don't know, just a little treated. I just wanted it to be a little bit more soft, a little bit more manageable, and like I said, treated so that it gets more healthy. That's my overall goals, is health, having my hair healthy, and of course longer. I'm not in need of any more thickness. So now we're going ahead and working through that conditioner, working it all the way through. And guys, you know your hair is clean. Comment down below, do you know the test to know when your hair is 100% clean? If you don't know, you know your hair is clean when it starts squeaking. So when I was washing my hair with that shampoo, I heard it squeaking. So that hair mask plus that shampoo got out all the dirt in my hair, all the chemicals, all the products, the edge control, everything that I put in my hair, all the wig glue, all that stuff. Makeup probably was in my hair from melting down my lace. All that stuff is out. These products are very, very, very good. You just got to make sure that you work it through. And when you're working it through, you're not using your nails, you're using the nubs of your fingers. That's how you're working it through. And move it around, because you want your whole head to be evenly soft and manageable. You don't want just one section to be super soft and everything else be like, ooh, girl. So I always pretty much go through a whole bottle of conditioner down here. I probably got like a little bit left. If you guys plan on trying this, leave a comment down below. Oh, I forgot the smell. It actually smells pretty nice. It's not like a fruity super bomb aroma or anything like that, but it's a nice delicate smell. It's not overbearing. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb through this right now, and it's easier for me to kind of do a little bit, in sections. That's the best way to do it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and go all around here, going basically section by section, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do it in a circle. And this is how much hair that's come out so far, which is not a lot, only because I think I combed my hair out. Yeah, I combed my hair a little bit before this, and it was much more hair that came out. So it wasn't that much when I washed it. So combing through that conditioner, and guys, once I comb through the conditioner, I still I put like a little bit more in there, and then I'm gonna leave that and let that sit also for another 30 minutes. And then once that sits, I'm going to come back, rinse out the conditioner, and then I actually braided my hair in plaits so it can dry overnight. So I just braided in plaits, let it dry overnight, because I'm trying to put as less heat to it as possible. So once it dried overnight, I was basically just able to comb through it, straighten it out a little bit, and I don't know why that part was in it. That should have been deleted. Anyway, threw me off. But yeah, so I air dried it in my little plaits, combed it out and everything, and then right here I'm just basically washing off the products. I did a fun little TikTok video while my conditioner was sitting in. Drinking my little sweet tea. My TikTok is the same, Queen F and Jazz, I think. Yeah, and then a number 7 at the end. And this is a hairstyle I did after everything was done. So I just did my braids, and I still have them in today. There's my Snapchat if you want to follow me on Snapchat. Same as TikTok with a 7 at the end, and me and my baby. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you share it so people know what's good to use on their hair if you have my hair type.